Food company Conagra Brands announced that it would cease production operations and close its facility in Beaver Dam, Wisconsin. The company claimed in a letter to the Bureau of Workforce Training that the move is designed to improve the effectiveness and efficiencies in its supply chain network. Conagra added in the letter that the closure, which is expected to be permanent, would affect all employment, including 25 management and administrative roles and 227 production and production support jobs. The employees have no union representation or bumping rights, but will be offered severance benefits. Conagra mentioned in a statement reported by Channel 3000 that it had determined it could meet business needs by making its products in fewer facilities. Based on the company's projections, the Beaver Dam facility will discontinue production on June 10th and warehouse operations on January 3rd next year. Layoffs are expected to take place in phases, beginning on June 10th and continuing on June 14th, September 2nd, and January 3rd, 2025. Beaver Dam Chamber of Commerce Executive Director Tracy Probst said the chamber would look to reduce the impact of the layoffs by organizing job fairs, Channel 3000 reported. Additionally, energy technology company Generac Power Systems is set to establish a new manufacturing facility in Beaver Dam. The company announced last September that it expects the planned 320,000 square foot facility to employ 350 to 400 people and complete construction early next year. Still, Conagra's decision to cease plant operations in Beaver Dam adds to a trend of food manufacturers closing facilities, including Kellanova, Utz Brands, Post Holdings, and Tyson. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.